Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leboo Msweni and welcome to the Leboo Gang, the all hair related channel. If you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification button so you are notified of all the videos that I post and you don't miss out. For my returning subscribers, thank you for returning to my channel. I hope you are going to enjoy today's video. Something different. We are not talking about hair today. Today we are doing hair. We are exploring hair. This is just a beginner friendly tutorial on how to do a, what do they call it? Okay, it's a Phondo, but it's a ponytail. We'll be using different tools and accessories as well as hair, and I will show you a bit later as to what I'm using, and I will also put in the description box all the details in terms of the tools and the accessories and where I bought them from and how much it was. So I won't be doing a lot of talking today. I'll be doing the things with the hands, showing you guys what you guys can do for just a simple protective style that you can do either during the week or the weekend or for a specific occasion, using basic tools and accessories, things that you can find at your local beauty supply store. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you guys actually go out and do it for yourself, so you guys can look all snazzy and slaying and all beautiful. This ponder that I'm doing now is for later. Okay, not necessarily later, but it is for another tutorial video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get straight into it. The hairpiece that I'll be using today is the darling Marley Kinky hairpiece, which is lightweight and chunky, and this is a value pack which consists of 2 hairpieces, and this is also a crochet appropriate hairpiece. I also have weaving thread as well as a curved needle and sewing chalk as well as a pair of scissors and the Drawstring Mesh Ponytail cap, which has elastic and you can make it smaller, as well as hair clips to attach it to your hair so it doesn't fall off, which allows more security to it, as well as my mannequin head and holder and T-pins, so I am able to secure the mesh cap to my mannequin head. As you can see, I've secured the mesh cap to my mannequin head in a circular shape, and now I'm drawing lines with my chalk so I am able to sew the hair in proper uniform lines. Makes it easier. Sorry about that, don't mind me and my joints in the background. Now I'm done drawing the lines, and I'm just going to I've put in my thread in the needle. I'm just gonna add a knot at the end. So I am literally going to sew the hair like I sew a weave on a wig cap to secure it to the mesh cap so it doesn't, you know, fall out. And obviously I am making this mesh ponytail cap to last, not forever, but I mean for it to be durable. The stitch that I'm using is the blanket stitch, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to get back to you and ask my mom, but I think yes, it's the blanket stitch. It's the most secure stitch to use for any type of weaving on a wig cap, of course. It's the following day and I'm back with my Phondo. I hope you guys like how it came out. Now I'm just gonna wear it for you so you can actually see how it looks on me. As you can see, it has an elastic and the clips, so it's secure. Now I'm gonna take my do-rag off. I use the do-rag to lay down my hair. It is the most perfect thing to lay it down with. I also use the ISO Plus and a toothbrush just to lay the front of my hair. My hair is 4C natural hair, so it gets coily very easily, especially on my edges. As you can see at the back of my hair, it is also very coily, so I went ahead with the ISO Plus again and I laid my hair at the back. I also have 2 pins to secure it more on the sides, as I've placed the hair clips at the top as well as the bottom. So the pins come in handy to secure it even more so it doesn't even fall over. And there we go. This is the complete look. I hope you guys like how it came out, because I definitely do. Boy, do I look hot. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button. Bye. Phela nibajele bamamele mabangizwanga kahle bayiphinda for double one nelesine feeling in this feeling ngamasimba smoke sine